Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Summit White 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT, stock number A7230. Starting up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a hand-cooked tire. Inside there is a black black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Malibu. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a backup camera here. There is also keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it's very clean inside. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive, right before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. On the left side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a push-button start here. Above the rear view mirror, you can see that this is equipped with OnStar. You've got a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and you do have capabilities here for OnStar navigation. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls as well as buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage, you're going to get around 36 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information, or if you'd like to schedule a test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.